Hello, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? I'm sure you're all doing good. If you're new here, hi, my name is Victoria. Please do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel if you like what you see and join this beautiful family. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. So guys, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I made this delicious yam porridge. Yes, these are the ingredients, guys. Here we have spring onion, we have scotch bonnet pepper, we have yam, tomatoes, and leftover fish roll filling. There's a leftover fish roll filling from my last two videos. If you've not watched it, please go and watch that video. So I thought, what am I gonna do with this leftover fish roll filling? And I thought, let's just add this to this food, and it tastes so delicious. The outcome was amazing, guys. So let's get cooking. I've just added my coconut oil, but you're welcome to use any oil of your choice. So I went on to add my spring onions. So guys, I ran out of all my usual red onion on the day, so I thought to make use of the spring onion. So after that, I went on to add my tomato, and then I stir everything together. So guys, I just want to use this time to say thank you so much to all my subscribers, to all my recent subscribers. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for your like, your support, and everything. So guys, here is the leftover fish roll filling. I've just added that in, and then I added my spices. You can use any spice of your choice, guys. I've just gone ahead to add this is chicken seasoning cube. Okay, yeah, it's not the usual magino, yeah. But it's quite good. I like it, guys. So I'm just gonna stir everything together. The sauce is already coming together, guys. It's looking so delicious. So here I'm just going to add a little bit of salt to taste. Okay, if you're avoiding salt, please skip that one, it's optional. So here I've just added my yam. The yam is finely chopped and washed. Make sure to wash your yam properly. Okay, so I'm just going to mix and stir everything together, and then add water and allow it to cook until it is properly done and tender. So the food has been cooking for a while now, so we're going to check on it to see how it is getting on. I've just added a sliced bell pepper just to give it a little bit of color, and I'm just going to stir together. At this point, guys, the food is already done. It's so easy to make. It doesn't take long to cook. Look at this, guys. It is looking so delicious. Guys, if you're yet to subscribe, please, this is the right time to hit the subscription button and join this beautiful family. In this place, we make yummy, delicious recipes. Thank you so much, and God bless you for doing that. Please like this video so that other people can see it. So guys, this is the final result, guys, and it's looking so heavenly. Look at how it is looking. The color is popping, guys. Thank you so much for watching up till now. God bless you, and I'm gonna see you all in my next one. Bye, and stay safe. Jesus loves you.